Last day of vacation. I'm picking blackberries and my brook. That is the brook today. 3 months here in Nova Scotia, no water. So I'm here. Look at guys what I got now. I almost full this one. So I'm gonna bring this one to Fox Creek, Alberta. They are so pure and organic, guys. That's the boost of blackberry. See guys, so I need to pick them all this one. Okay. Proof, I'm here. Sitting in the rack. You see, I'm sitting in the rack. So beside me, it's blackberries. Did up this one, you're gonna see it guys. Oh my God, it's millions of blackberries. You see guys, ayan. Look at that. Oh, amen. I'm so blessed to come here in Nova Scotia. So thank you guys for your wonderful best wishes to me and my 54 years old. Yes, I am 54 years old. 54 na si Manang. Matanda na, bakitin. So, but I'm so proud and blessed because God give me a long life like this. So, I wish to our Almighty that give me a good health, long life, so that I can continue serving Him in this earth. I love you, oh Lord. Amen. I'm alone here in the brook, guys. So, thank you so much for spreading all the birthday wishes. I know it's a lot. So, I am slow replying you guys. Oh, have a mosquito there in my forehead. I love you all, guys. So, I have organic blueberry today. I know. Blackberries today. This is blackberries, guys. So thank you. I love you all. Mwah. God bless you all, guys. Today is September 2, so 2025 here in Nova Scotia.